things happen in 2 minutes also.
Yeah.
I think bookstore taught me a lot. Story is fine, but the beauty of language be relevant for 100 years, 1,000 years. Was due to the lack of social media, things won't go so far. Like a deep rooted message, it might not last more than 1 year.
So, I'm Anvesha, and I would love if you introduce yourself to our audience.
My name is Rakesh. I'm running this bookstore, Harmony Bookshop in Varanasi, and it's my birthplace, education, and so I will call it my birth and karmic place both.
So, how does it feel being, here for almost your whole lifetime?
Whole life is not yet completed; it's still in process. So I will call this as my birth till now. I think it's before the bookshop. Appreciation for the city was different. It not much, but the bookstore and interaction with the people and who comes from outside India, outside Banaras, had shaped me my own perception toward the city in a much more appreciative way. So it's like more. So I think bookstore taught me a lot.
So how does like this place, like I believe it's a really peaceful place to just sit and hang out and read something that's possible if it's allowed here. So how does it feel like you're running something so nice, and how people usually respond to it from some foreigners or some other customers, if there are, then how do they usually communicate with you and the bookstore? How is it?
Um, since I like the bookstore, enjoying amongst the book, and that helps other to enjoy, to participate in my enjoyment. Such easy.
So what's your favorite book?
In Hindi, दीवार में खिड़की रहती थी by विनोद कुमार शुक्ल, and English, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, every book.
Okay, nice. That's really, I haven't read actually, and I would really love to read.
Yeah,
So what do you like about those books
I think
exactly?
the way they create the reality looks so surreal, uh, magical, but still hold the reality. Especially the way they use the language. The language is more magical. The
it's
story is fine, but the beauty of language.
It's really amazing to meet someone who is really well rooted in classics, actually, because nowadays people are really into contemporary. So, what difference do you usually see between contemporary books and the classics?
Classics is like has no time bound time bound appreciation. It can be relevant for 100 years, 1,000 years. And contemporary, if they don't have like a deep rooted message, it might not last more than 1 year.
Nowadays, it is really visible online that people are now getting a little bit inclined towards classics, and contemporary books are like people are reading contemporary books, but even contemporary readers are switching to reading classics and understanding classics. So, as a classic reader yourself who has read more classics, I believe, how would you uh, narrate this whole shift suddenly happening because of some trend, or if it's negatively affecting the classics or it's positively affecting it?
I think availability one thing, and then availability through the social media, giving the options, and the um, rest in the hand of the readers. So before it was due to the lack of social media, things won't go so far. Now it's gone uh, through the content, through the appreciation, through the availability in the social media. That's also helps to explore something which was not done before. And then so many YouTube channels, so many content creator who talks about the classics, modern, ancient. I mean, I won't say only the moving towards the classic. The contemporary authors also well received in the in present days. So I think both are coexisting. Classics coexisting since 1,000 years, contemporary has to go that far.
I believe both are going to perform really well. Of course, classics have been performing
Yeah,
really
perform
well.
well, and I think some modern will come become a classics as well.
Yes, after a few years, they
Yeah,
will
it became
also.
like a Dracula, which I know in my childhood was not classic. Now it's classic.
Now, yeah, exactly.
So a certain thing, John le Carre, the suspense thriller author, was not classic. Now it's a classic.
Yeah, exactly. There
That
are a
was a
lot
Pulp
of.
Fiction. Now it became classic.
So, what do you feel like as you had a conversation with our author? What do you think? How will Mriya do in the Banarasi market?
Pardon? Can you rephrase it again?
I was saying that as you had a conversation about Mriya, the
Yeah.
book, with our author, how do you feel? How will it do here in Varanasi?
I mean, it's set in Banaras, and the set in Banaras and set in Odisha and Banaras, ending in Banaras. So I hope the end will going to be a good start.
So, will you read this book and recommend it to others?
Yeah, sure. I will. I have to go to because it's set in Banaras, end in Banaras, set and end. So I have to.
So, we'd be really excited to know your reviews regarding Dia. And it was really nice talking to you.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you for your precious time.
My pleasure.
Thank you, sir.